Hey everyone, we're out in Hebron, Maryland today, and usually I try to make these open house tour videos pretty quick, but today we've got just under 4,000 square feet of living space, so maybe a little extended, but lots to see here. Let's start in my favorite feature, which is this gorgeous screen porch right off the kitchen and living room attached to the home. You've got huge double ceilings here and is great for Maryland humidity at nights or in the morning if you want to sit outside and enjoy a good old cup of coffee without any mosquitoes. You have a laundry room here, which is attached to a 3-bay car garage. Perfect for anyone that has not only their cars, but likes to use their garage for storage, which I know a lot of us do. Or you can house the lawnmower in there, a boat. You've got plenty of storage in that garage and in this home. Next up is a gorgeous chef's kitchen. We've got nice cherry cabinets, dark countertops, granite countertops. We've got gas in this home, so you have a great gas range here. You have a walk-in pantry with loads of shelving options. You've got the island for prep work and a 2-tier peninsula there, breakfast bar that wraps all the way around. When we go to the living room, you'll see how great that wraparound additional seating is. We also have a wall oven and warming tray, so if you love to cook or Thanksgiving, holiday meals, have the family over, this is definitely an entertainer's kitchen. Right off the kitchen, we're in a formal dining room space, as well as it makes your grand entrance here with this gorgeous front door. We've got open both, and it also tiers up. I can't video it here. Let's see if but we've got a wall of windows above the door, and you have a huge foyer here. Private office right to my left. And then as soon as you walk in, you're gonna be hit with a giant wall of windows right in your visual thing. We're here in the living room with gorgeous hardwood floors. These windows actually have windows above them as well, so loads of natural light. Gas fireplace, tankless hot water systems for the upper and lower level, so you're never running out of hot water, and you're gonna need it because you've got 3 primary suite options in this home with a total of 4 bedrooms. 2 of your primary suite options are here on the first floor. I'm in the largest of the options. You've got 2 separate closets here, both with lighting and shelving, and then we go into an enormous attached full bathroom. Dual sinks, soaking tub, standing shower, and plenty of room to spread out for everyone to be able to have their own space to get ready in the morning or at night. Right to the right of this option is an additional primary suite option on the main level. The bathroom's been recently redone. No soaking tub, but a great standing fiberglass shower and vanity and sink. Plus, we're going back to this wall of windows. You'll find it's a theme in this home, which is great for all our natural light lovers. And then this one does have a big closet as well. Huge space. Again, we're all about the space in this property. Not only inside, but outside, because we sit on just over a 1-acre cul-de-sac lot. With that, big backyard ready for you to personalize. You're gonna love it. Let's head upstairs and check out what else this home has to offer. We've made it to the top where I'm standing under some more natural light with some beautiful skylights. Again, you see the hardwood floors throughout. They go throughout both the lower level and the upper level, including the bedrooms. Behind me here is the 4th bedroom. I'll show you the 3rd in a moment. And when you have a full bathroom here in the upper level, that actually is attached to this big flex space that I'm standing in now. Could be a great second living room, playroom, den, game room, lots of options up here. Check out how big the space is. And then additionally, there is another primary suite option up here on the upper level. So we're in the last primary suite option. Usually you don't get your choice of 3, but this house is definitely one of a kind. And there's our full bathroom there. I mentioned earlier that we're on a big 1-acre lot with gorgeous landscaping. We have concrete sidewalks, and we have a big backyard that is ready for you to personalize and customize. So make sure you check out 26239 Bosch Lane in Hebron, Maryland. This is one unique property that needs to be toured. It's a lot to see, so stop on by and let's take a look.